today is a very special day. Gybram, my oldest son, it's his birthday today. He's gonna be 4 years old. Tengo 4 años. Y we're doing something really cute and really special. This morning, I have a couple things set up, and you guys are gonna watch sort of the process. So let's check it out. But first, some lightsaber battle. Oh. Yeah, let's put this away. Anyway, let's get back to business. Come on. I'll blow up some balloons. Oh, that's very loud. Let's try that again. That's funny when you're trying to be quiet. That's when you make the most noise. Simple, beautiful cake for my son, and of course, yeah, check that out. And we got a mouse trap. I'm sorry if I'm talking really low. It's because I don't want to wake him up yet. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. We found this really cool Ninja Turtles Uno game. By the way, board games are really good way to interact with your kids. So all you parents out there are like, my kids only watch TikTok and YouTube. Well, get them board games and get your family involved. Also, the challenges that we do, that's also a great way for you guys to get your kids involved and to get them off, like, social media. And just a fun way to do stuff together and build that bond with your kids. Put this in the bag. 4 years old candle. I'm gonna put the candle, if I can get this thing open. Voila! We have my son's mini birthday cake all set up. So, yeah, now we just have to wait till he wakes up, guys. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Look at your present, your birthday present. And your birthday cake, your birthday present. A small one, because we're not doing your big birthday party today. Look. He's a little sleepy. You ready to see your present? Papa remembers when you were born and I saw you on the table where they clean you and they put nice clothes on you and they wash you up. And I saw you and you were like this, looking at Papa like this, with one big blue eye. And Papa said, that's my baby. That's my baby. So you're my baby. And I love you very much. And I hope you have a good birthday. I love you, baby. Vamos un hug. Un beso? He's so shy. You want to see what's in your bag? Baby, you have to blow the candle. First, you have to make a wish, and then you blow it, okay? So close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, baby! Ooh, what is this? You know what this is, Gybram? Yeah? What is it? It's a game. It's called Mousetrap. You like it? You like it? Yeah? Oh, I think there's something else in there. Let's see. There's something else? Oh. What is that? What is that, Gybram? Show it to Mama. Wow. It's a Ninja Turtles Uno game. Huh? You like it? Yeah? Awesome. Love you, baby. Oh, you want cake? You want cake? This one?
What? Mira lo que te hizo papá.
Happy birthday!
So,
Gybram saw his beginning of his birthday party, and he loved his present, so that's awesome. So we'll see you guys on our next chapter. We love you guys. We'll see you very soon.